Okay, again, just doing a quick review. Solving using logs. Now, this one, you don't need a log because you can rewrite it so it has the same base on both sides. So base 3, so x equals 2. This one, I cannot change 300, so it's just in terms of 3. I mean, I could do 3 times 100, but I can't write the 100 in terms of 3. So what I'm going to do is take the log of both sides. So you have log of 3 to the x equals log of 300. Now I'm using base 10 because that's our number system. Bring the x out. Then I'm going to divide both sides by log of 3. Now again, I do think I'm going to have a quiz on logs on Thursday. That's my plan. We'll see what happens. Now I'm using a cheap calculator because I can't use Desmos. I'm using my iPad right now. So I would do log of 300. Oh, excuse me. Yes, log of 300 divided by parentheses log of 3. And I get 5.19. And that actually goes on forever, of course. Now, you can check your work by going well, it depends on your button. It's usually X to the A over B, or it's an up arrow, a lot of different symbols on calculators, and see, do you get something very close to 300? So the next one, take log of both sides. Then I'm going to bring the x plus 1 out. Divide both sides by log of 5. So on the test quiz on Thursday, part of it you'll be allowed to use a calculator, part of it you will not. So take log of 7,000 divided by log of 5, and I get 5.5, blah, 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 and I need to subtract 1, so it'd be 4.5, and then it goes on forever. So right now, see if you can solve this one for me, and then turn me back on. So, I'm going to skip a step. You'd have 2x log of 4 equals log of 900,000. Divide both sides by log of 4. So, let's see. Log... Mercy, 9,000,000 divided by log 4, and I get 9.889, so then I'm going to divide that by 2. And I get 4.9 for blah, 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 blah. Now, for a test or quiz, 100th is okay for me, even though in real life you would do that. Now, what if you don't have base of 10 and you want a base of 10? It's called the change of base formula. You could do this two ways. The change of base formula says log new base of what you were taking a log of. Now I'm going to put a 10 there. When you have a base 10, you don't write that. Divided by log new base of the old base. Or, if you don't like to remember that, set it equal to x, write it as exponential, and then solve it using logs. Take the log of both sides. X comes out. So x equals log of 6 divided by log of 4. Which would be, so you know 4 squared is 16, so it has to be between 1 and 2. So log of 6 divided by log of 4 equals, I get 1.29. So go ahead and do this one for me, and then turn me back on. So again, I don't like to remember stuff, so I just set it equal to x. Write it as exponential. Take the log of both sides. So it would be, bring the x out. Divide by log of 8. So log of 3,000 divided by log of 8. And it looks like it's 3.85, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you'll be using this if you take physics, for sure, and upper level math. I saw this, they were doing this, I think about 4 or 5 weeks ago in Honors Pre-Calc. Have a good day.